What is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. A little bit of different video for you guys. We are trying to resurrect this rat rod, the 79
CJ7.
Little backstory: we got this Jeep for free, and we did a little bit of a family build on it. It's got a 383
69 383 that came out of the Super Bee that I had in high school, which is freaking weird.
So it's a little built. It's got what, around 400 horsepower,
400 horsepower,
or it did at least when it was running good.
That's the number I'm going with.
Yeah, and it's got a DJ front end on it, so there is no front axle per se. There's no drive line in the front. It's now converted to rear wheel drive, and there's a Dana 60 back there with 513 gears, right?
513s.
And it's hard to see, but it's been lowered.
So it came with 4-inch springs that were lifted when we got it, but we de-arched those down to 4-inch lowered, if that makes sense.
Yep, we chopped the roll bar and we chopped the windshield, got glass made for it, and it's kind of just been a little bit of a rat rod cruiser. We've taken it out a few times, but we kind of got busy and we parked it, and now we're trying to resurrect it. We're trying to get it started, and I think it'd be cool to do a little bit of a build series on it, kind of freshen it up and kind of give it some life and see what we can do, what kind of fun we can have with it.
So many times we've just kind of walked around this thing and realized this thing's actually so much fun to drive when it's running. We almost were just going to part it out and just kind of get rid of it, but now we might kind of put it back on the road. We don't know yet. All right. Oh, let me...
Needs power.
Yeah. Oh, stop. It's getting there.
It must have been really empty for
it was. It was really low, because I remember the last time I went to start it, it wouldn't start because there was no fuel.
Yeah.
Had to put enough in it, and it was barely enough to get it going.
Yep. There we go. All right, ready? Got it running. We're letting it sit and idle for a little bit, get some of that good gas going through it. I think it was just completely out of gas. The lines had nothing in them, so we had to keep priming them almost to get the fuel up to the carburetor so it could pump the fuel into the engine. And some starter fluid and gasoline always does the trick. And now it's just idling right here, and we're gonna wait for it to warm up, and then we're gonna move it out of here. Try to whip some donuts down here. We'll see what we can do.
Are we in Mexico?
Yeah, we just transported to Mexico. Let's see what he can do. awesome. We have to keep this thing. Dude. All right, let's get out of here. Oh my God. All right. I don't have my seatbelt on. Dude, that is awesome. We have to keep this thing. Dude. All right, let's get out of here. Oh my God. All right. I don't have my seatbelt on. And I don't trust it either. Oh wow, that was fun.
Show me another CJ7 that can do that. Yeah, that's true.
Guys, that was a ton of fun. My adrenaline's really going right now. So
oh dude,
that was, we have a bunch of off-road Jeeps, not that one, but as you can see, we don't have a lot of fast stuff. So this is the fastest thing we have, kind of. Oh, besides your Super B.
Oh yeah, so
yeah, well,
Super B than this. Now,
that we can use and abuse at least.
Yeah, and this is only fast for like the first 60 feet because of the 513 gears and tiny tires.
Yeah, so this is something that's just been sitting on the side of the garage for a few years now, and God, a long time. And so we want to breathe some life back into this and give you guys a little short intro into this build series while we're also waiting for parts for this Cherokee that we're going to be building as well. So this will be a fun little project, and shouldn't be too expensive either, so that'll be nice.
I think right now everything was free. Everything you see here.
Oh yeah, we got the Jeep for free.
The engine we already had, the axle, all that stuff was free. I think the only thing we spent money on was the tires
and the front DJ axle.
Yeah, that was $80. They're just the cheapest radials you can get, but other than that, it's all spare parts.
Yeah, stuff we've just had laying around. So we're gonna have some fun with it. We don't know what kind of direction it's gonna go right now or what we plan on doing with it, but if you guys have any suggestions, what you want to see us do with it, maybe drive it across the country.
I think
King of the Hammers next year in this thing, that'd be really funny. But
I think everybody in their purest form would probably say keep it somewhat of a rat rod, right? So that's the whole.
Oh, of course, yeah. We'll leave it like that. But
I mean, look at did you get a picture of the spring in the driver's seat? You know this.
Oh yeah, this
is what's sticking up your. You know what? Wait, look at that.
Oh yeah.
So. Anyways, yeah, no, it's a blast. You forget about all the weird stuff on it when you're doing donuts.
But to make it more drivable is what we want to do. So that means making it more reliable, so we don't have to worry about it breaking down on the side of the road. But I don't know what we're gonna do to do that, but we'll figure it out.
Yeah.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was pretty quick, but wanted to give you guys a rundown of what we're gonna be doing with this and having some fun with it. Hope you guys are going to enjoy this series, and if you have any suggestions, like I said, put them down in the comments.
Let us know what you think.
Yeah, absolutely. We'll see you guys in the next one.